Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will be explaining about female gametogenesis or oogenesis. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Brama Alifio Gusnanda, number 11 from 11 Science 8.
And my name is Mira Khairunissa, number absent 20 from 11 Science 8. Okay, so what is oogenesis? Oogenesis is the process of formation of female gametes. This process begins inside the fetus before birth. The steps in oogenesis up to the production of primary oocytes occur before birth. Primary oocytes do not divide further. They either become secondary oocytes or degenerate. Oogenesis occur in the outermost layers of the ovaries, and oogenesis starts with a germ cell called oogonium and undergoes mitosis to increase in number.
Okay, so female gametogenesis has different stages. The first stage is prenatal stage. The primary oocyte grows while being arrested in meiosis-I. The follicular cells proliferate and form a stratified cuboidal epithelium. Such cells are known as granulosa cells. These cells secrete glycoproteins to form zona pellucida around the primary oocyte.
Next is antrum stage, the fluid-filled area present between granulosa cells combines to form a central fluid-filled space called antrum. These are known as secondary follicles. In every month cycle, the secondary follicles develop under the influence of follicle-stimulating hormone and luteinizing hormone.
The last stage is pre-ovulatory stage. This stage is induced by LH surge and meiosis-I completes here. Two haploid cells of unequal sizes are formed within the follicle. One of the daughter cells that receive less cytoplasm forms a polar body. This cell does not participate in ovum formation. The other daughter cell is known as the secondary oocyte. The two daughter cells undergo meiosis II. The polar body replicates to form two polar bodies, while the secondary oocyte arrests in the metaphase stage of meiosis II.
And then an ovulation. Development of oocyte takes place in ovaries. Every oocyte is neighbored by follicle cells to form a follicle. When a follicle attains maturity, the primary oocyte finishes its primary meiotic division and becomes secondary oocyte. Soon after, the follicle breaks and secondary oocyte is liberated. In the fallopian tube, even when the second meiotic division has not happened, this release of secondary oocyte from ovaries is known as ovulation.
Fertilization. Meiosis II is completed on fertilization. This gives off a third polar body. If the fertilization does not occur, the oocyte degenerates 24 hours after ovulation while remaining arrested in meiosis II cell division.
Okay, for the conclusion, gametogenesis differentiates for male and female. For male, it is called spermatogenesis, while for male, it is called oogenesis. Oogenesis is divided into three stages, which are prenatal, antral, and pre-ovulatory. To summarize, oogenesis is the differentiation of the ovum, or egg cell, into a cell competent to further develop when fertilized. This process happens before birth and finishes until after puberty. And that's all from us. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.